If you are looking for a solution for stain and odor remover for like a pet, especially if you are like a first-time owner, I highly recommend getting this. This is a Simple Solution Oxy Charged stain and odor remover. You're definitely going to want to get one of these for sure, especially if you do have carpet. If you do have wood, I mean, you can use it, it's still great, but this is more so if it like, this is like really a really good product for like carpet especially. But yeah, so this is what it looks like in the front, and then in the back this is what it looks like. I know there are a lot of people that could or tend to use this even if they don't have like a little steamer or a cleaner machine, but obviously I feel like when you do have one of those, it works a lot better just because it really does dig deep into there and like steam deep and then dig up everything that's in there, and it like pushes it all out with the water and the solution. I know there are a lot of people that just tend to use like whatever like items that they have, like cleaning items that they have, just with the solution. It still works, but I feel like it just obviously works better with like a machine. But yeah, this works really great. It definitely does take out the stain and the odor. Definitely like the pee smells could last if it's not, especially if it's not cleaned out well. And you definitely don't want it to let it sit there over time, and using this definitely takes everything out.